Hey guys, welcome to Power Weight Training. My name is Paul and I'm going to be taking you through today's workout. We are going through 3 scorpion burpees, 8 thrusters on each arm on the minute, every minute for as many rounds as we can today. I have no idea how many rounds I'm going to last, hopefully long enough for this video. So anyway, after the intro, join me on the mat behind me. We'll get started in a few seconds. I'll see you guys then. Alright guys, welcome back. We'll get started in about 15 seconds or so. 3 scorpion burpees with a push-up in between, followed by 10 thrusters, or at least my simplified version of the thrusters. My knee still hurts. My operation is not for another week and a half or so I have limited motion. But anyway, we get started in 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second. Let's go. 1, push up, and reach. Push up, and reach behind you. That's 1. Down, down, up, down, up. That's 2. Down, up, down, up. And that's 3. Have the weight. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go. 7, 8. Switch arms. 1. Can guarantee you I'm going to probably hit the ceiling today. 3. Let's go. 4. Stay with me. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Go on 10-second rest. We get to go again. Back down to burpees. Ready? 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, and up. 1, 2, and up. 1, 2, and up. My jumps are very limited today, but it's a conversation for another day. 2, let's go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Switch arms. 1. Keep it up. 3. 6. 2 more. 7 and 8. 7-second rest. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, and up. I'm not jumping when you start to hurt. 1, 2, and up. 1, 2, and up. Thruster, ready. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Switch arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 5 seconds rest this time for me. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1. That's 1. That's 2. That's 3. 1. 2. 6, 7. Let's switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Woo. Here we go, here we go, here we go. 5 seconds, guys. We get to go again. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Push up. Reach, push up. Reach, push up. Up. 1. Push up, reach, down, reach, down. And that's 2. Down, up, down, up, down. 3. 1, 2, 3. Look at me. Head up. 4, 5, 6. Squat down. 7. Switch arms. 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 more. 2. Last one. Whew. And switch. Little breather. 2, 1. Let's go. Down, reach, down, reach, down, pop up. 1. Down, reach, down, reach, down, up. 2. Down, back, down, back, down. 3. No jump for me. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Switch arms. 8. 1. Keep it up. 5. 3 more. 2 more. Last one. And we go to burpees in 3 seconds. 2, 1. Let's go. Reach. Reach. Up. Reach. Reach. Slow down. 2. This could be the end. Reach. Reach. That's 3. You have to wait. 1. Stay with me. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Keep it up. Halfway. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 4 seconds. Running out of time. 2. Let's go. 2. That's 1. Down, up, down, up, down. That's 2. Down, up, down, up, down. That's 3. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep it up. 5. Don't stop. 6, 7. Last one. Switch arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 more. Let's make it on this one. 2 and 1. Looks like I'm going one more round. 1. Let's go. Reach. Reach. Forgot the push up. Reach. Reach. Push up. There we go. 2, 3. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. All right. There we go. Woo. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Switch. 1, 2, 3. It's gonna be close. Keep it up. 4. Halfway. 5, 6, 7, 8. Straight to burpees. No rest for me. 1, 2, 3. Glasses are falling off. 1, 2. That's 2. 1, 2. And that's 3. Here we go. Last round, guys. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Switch arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Whew. Looks like I made it 10 rounds, guys. Leave a comment below. Let me know how many rounds you made it. 10 was it for me. Thanks for joining me for this great 10-minute workout, for me at least. I'll see you guys during the next workout. Peace out, and I'll see you on the mat behind me next time.